Hello, I'm Christoph Emmerich, and I was a member of the working group that developed the eqipd quality system. Our quality system is meant to provide support for scientists in various roles, as well as quality professionals working in research institutions of different types and sizes. When deciding to implement the quality system, one of the most important questions that has to be asked upfront is, why does quality matter to us, for our organization, for our research? Answers to this question help define the quality objectives of the organization and, in eqipd language, form the basis of the mission statement that becomes the foundation of the quality system, and that can be used to explain to peers, collaborators, and yes, even to family and friends why we spend time and effort in establishing such a system. This presentation provides examples of how a quality system can benefit each typical role that exists in a biomedical research laboratory. So, how can a quality system be useful to a PhD student? Time allocated to a PhD project is typically short. During this period, students are expected to learn a lot, and ideally, this learning should not be guided by trial and error. There's a lot that a student gets from his or her mentors and colleagues. But there's also a lot of routine knowledge that can be learned from the infrastructure and the standard resources provided in the laboratory. The quality system provides the key elements of experimental design and how to avoid experimental bias. It defines how the lab stores experimental design and associated results and analysis. Thus, the eqipd quality system provides basic knowledge and resources to help PhD students start their research career on the right foot, minimizing risks and maximizing the quality of the results. Postdoctoral scientists are often said to be the true engine of biomedical research and innovation. While doing exciting science, however, they need to think about establishing themselves as independent researchers. To have worked in a research laboratory with an implemented quality system, or being part of the team that implemented the quality system, can certainly make a noticeable statement on a CV. An important aspect of a career development is that, while working simultaneously on several projects, or evaluating several hypotheses, it is important to have good reasons to support which horse to back. The quality system allows critical appraisal of the postdoc's own research, identifies the soundest research direction, and gets your name associated with the most robust publications. Postdocs are often trusted with training students. This valuable practice in managing a tiny research unit prepares postdocs for managing larger projects and larger units. Setting up high-quality processes for a small unit makes it easier to handle more challenging tasks in the future. Principal investigators in research labs are typically very busy securing funding, complying with regulations, writing papers, traveling, and giving talks to publicize and present their research. This often leaves little time to train the students and postdocs entering the lab every year. It is also often difficult to keep track of all the data, methods, and processes of daily work in the lab. Appointing lab managers and/or tasking postdocs with duties of running the laboratory is often the only solution that works smoothly until the postdoc decides to leave and all those questions related to where the relevant protocol or data is and why a good old method all of a sudden does not work any longer come to surface. The eqipd quality system offers a framework for handling all these challenges, including a centralized process to deal with methods, funders, regulatory, and other external requirements that can be easily assessed by the lab members who need information and training. Contract research organizations are usually very proud of their ability to generate high-quality data and to meet their customers' expectations regarding documentation. For non-regulated research, the eqipd quality system is the only quality label that can be used by a CRO to assure their customers of an additional level of quality and more robust data. CROs who have implemented the eqipd quality system will be able to increase their part of the market. Established pharmaceutical companies usually have quality management systems in place to support all sorts of regulated activities for both non-clinical and clinical development. However, the discovery and early development phases are typically left outside the GXP framework that is deemed ill-fitted to address the challenges of early phase research. The equipped quality system provides a flexible solution focused on rigor in study design, conduct, analysis, and reporting. This quality system can be deployed both internally in the company and externally at collaborating laboratories. Biotech companies have a unique mission as they take the lead and put to test novel ideas and novel concepts. Daring plans and limited resources is a challenge. Limited resources will not be an excuse when future partners scrutinize presented results and data packages. The equipped quality system offers a resource-effective and lean solution to address at least some of these challenges. In many research environments, it became a trend that quality professionals, trained and skilled to provide support for regulated research, were invited to help fundamental early phase researchers implement the essentials of good research practice. Should it be done by trimming GLP, or should such support of non-regulated research be developed by each quality professional according to the needs of his or her colleagues? The equipped quality system is the result of long-term collaboration between scientists and quality professionals and provides a framework that is familiar to the latter and is convenient for the former. We now return to the starting slide that is interactive. You may want to click on the role of interest to review what kind of statements your peers make when justifying investing more time and efforts in research quality in general and in the equipped quality system in particular. We would love to hear about your reasons for why quality matters. Thank you.